In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick look at the professional livestock clipper kit from the company My Animal Command. Livestock clippers meaning we can use these on horse, sheep, cattle, goats, various livestock, as well as large or extra large dogs. However, these clippers are not designed for small dogs. I'm going to show you everything they come with, and then I will plug in the clippers and let you listen to them at the end. These are 36 volt DC clippers. They have to be plugged in. They are not rechargeable, but they are brushless clippers. They have a brushless motor. It's going to give you more torque, less noise, and less vibration. That's why I want to plug them in so you can listen to them. So let's take a look at everything we get. First and foremost, you get this hard plastic case. It has a large foam insert on the inside with some grooves for your clippers as well as your accessories. Makes it easy to pack everything back up. And if you need to travel with them, makes it easy just to grab and go. 126 watt power cord. It is a 16-foot power cord, so you've got 16 feet to work with while you're grooming your livestock. They give you a cleaning brush, some lubricating oil, obviously the instruction manual. Not a whole lot to it. Because they are corded and because they don't have a variable speed, they simply have an on and off button. There's not a whole lot to them. You have a 33 fine tooth blade, 65 millimeters wide. It is titanium steel ceramic and it's detachable. They give you an extra blade and then you have a blade that comes on the clippers. In terms of changing out the blades, it's really easy. All you're going to do is give it a nice press with your thumb. The blade simply pops off. You've got your motor here in the middle. You've got a little bitty groove down here in the bottom that you're just going to line up with this groove on the blade. Get it straight. Give it a good push. And that's how you change out your blades. So that's a quick unboxing. Let's plug them in. I'll let you listen to them. As far as plugging the clippers in, it's very easy. You've got two circles and then a little notch right here. And then you've got the same thing on the male end. All you're going to do is line everything up. Give it a good push, and then you've got this piece here that you're going to want to screw down. That will keep everything connected. 36 volt DC motor. It's not loud. There's really no vibration at all. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.